Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we will see our new widget, Measurement List Widget, to check out historical data on your devices. So let's go. So we are in our cold chain monitoring workspace, and we are going to create a dashboard specifically for this Measurement List widget, and we will give access to all workspace members for now. Yeah, as you can see, when you go on edit mode and click on add widget, you will be able to now see the measurement list, and you may ask what that is. Well, for a long time this was requested actually, and now you can select a device. Let's take the fridge 1 for example, and we would like to have a historical overview of the internal temperature. We want to have the list of measurements with their timestamps of this specific field for this specific device. And now you are able to see all of the past measurements in here. You can also select how many rows per page you want to have. You can also give it a unit, of course, and select how many decimal places you want to have. And as basic data, you can say historical internal temperature, for example, and now click on save. And now you can also format your widget to have the size that you want it to have. And as you can see in here, now we can see when the measurements arrive with an exact timestamp, and the past measurements for the internal temperature for the fridge number 1. And you can of course always duplicate the widget, and you can do so for all of the fridges. So for example, this is fridge number 1, of course, and now for fridge number 2 we will do exactly the same. Now we will select the fridge 2 in our list, and we will select the internal temperature as well, and of course, and the unit and the decimal places are exactly the same. So now you have it for fridge 2, and it is as simple as that. That's all that you can do to see an overview of the historical values on your devices, and that's it. Now we will save our changes, and now you can enjoy the overview on your dashboards of your historical data points that your devices are getting. So I hope this video is useful, I hope that it's informative, and I hope that you love this measurement list widget and you can find a good use for it. Let us know if you have any comments, and see you next time.